Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, welcome to science class. So, we were on chapter number 4, the nervous system. So, today we will study about the sense organs. So, we know that there are so many sense organs. So, for today in this topic, I will tell you about the eyes. Is it clear? So let's start. First, we have the recap of the previous part. Brain, spinal cord and nerves make क्या बनाते हैं? Yes, these all parts make the nervous system. Then, which part of the brain is present at the bottom? Bottom में in the downside, which part of the brain is present? So, there are three parts of the brain as you know, cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So, on the bottom, medulla is present. Yes, you are right. Which part of the brain helps to keep the balance of the body? So we are able to stand, we are able to do any kind of work due to the balancing of the body. So it is due to cerebellum. Yes, you are right. Now the next question is, which is the largest part of the brain? So we have studied that there are three parts of the brain. These are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Which nerves carry message from the sense organs to brain? Which nerves are carrying the message? Yes, these are sensory nerves. They collect the message from the sense organs to the brain. Which part of the nervous system controls reflex action? So, this is controlled by spinal cord. Very good. Now, we have 5 sense organs as you know. The sense organs are the window to the world. We are able to do all the things because of the sense organs. They are very important. They help us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. So you can taste delicious food, yummy food with the help of your tongue. You can hear sweet music as well as noise with your ears. You can see beautiful sights, beautiful sceneries with your eyes. You can smell fragrance with your nose and you can feel with your skin. Okay, this is clear to you. You have studied about these sense organs in your previous class. So what is this? This is a beautiful scenery. So we like to go on those places which are filled with greenery, which are having lot of green trees and rivers and hills. So we like these type of sceneries and we are making them on the piece of paper also. So how can we see this? We can see them with the help of our eyes. We are able to see the beauty of the nature with the help of our eyes. So today I am going to tell you about the eyes, the importance of the eyes, how we are able to see the world. So as you know, I have told you before also, in the skull there are two pits. Got it? And the eyes are fit inside these pits. So eyes are the most important sense organs that help us to look around. They help us to see the world. So eyes are very important and we have to take great care of our eyes. So they are fit into the sockets of the skull. These are known as orbit. So you can see this is skull and eyes are fit inside the skull, inside the sockets of the skull. Clear? And it is like ball. It is like ball. You can see this ball. This is eyeball. The eyelids and eyelashes help to prevent the entry of the dust in the eyes. You have seen now if there is any storm and it is full of dust. So, directly you close your eyes with the help of your eyelids and eyelashes. Got it? Eyes. Now we will discuss about the structure of an eye. So please listen to me very carefully. The eyeball is filled with a fluid that protects the eyes from the shocks and minor jerks. Just like our brain, between the brain and the skull, there is a cerebrospinal fluid. In the same way, our eyeball, just I have shown it to you, our eye is like a ball, so it is filled with the fluid, and this fluid protects it from the shocks and the minor jerks. Then cornea. So what is cornea? You can see in the picture, this is cornea. So it is the circular, you can see it is circular C-shape transparent area in front of the eye. So it is present in just in front of the eye. It is transparent. Got it? And it is circular. And through it, it receives the light and send it to the inner part of the eye. Got it? इसी से हमारे आँखों में रोशनी हमारी आई के अंदर जाती है. नाउ आइरिस. आइरिस पता है क्या होती हैं? आप ध्यान से अपने घर में जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं सबकी आईज को देखिए एंड नोट डाउन द कलर ऑफ द आईज. You can see there are so many colors. Some of you are having blue color, brown color, or blue color, brown and black color also, and other colors also. Got it? So round color part of an eye is known as iris. So I have shown it to you in this picture that you can see the different colors of the eyes here. And the people are having different color eye because of the color pigment in them. Got it? कलर जैसे आप लोग क्या करते हैं, यू आर टेकिंग ब्लू कलर, वाइट कलर, रेड कलर टू ड्रॉ योर पिक्चर. तो इन द सेम वे गॉड हैज़ गिफ्टेड us different color eyes, and it is due to the presence of color pigment. Got it? I hope this is clear to you. What is iris? So now we will study about the pupil. So pupil is present inside the iris. आपको ये black color का एक छोटा सा राउंड सर्कल दिखाई दे रहा है. दिस इज कॉल्ड pupil. So black spot in the center of iris is known as pupil, and it is an opening through which the light enters the eyes. So through cornea light enter into the eyes, and after cornea it reaches to the pupil, and pupil is an opening through which the light enters the eyes. I hope this is clear to you. The iris adjust the size of the pupil to enable the entry of just the right amount of light, because you have noticed that sometimes the light is very bright and sometimes the light is very dull. So our eyes used to adjust it. How? Let's see. In dim light, the pupil get enlarged to take it more light. जब रात का टाइम होता है, बहुत कम लाइट होती है, तो हमारा प्यूपिल का साइज जो है वो इनलार्ज हो जाता है टू टेक इन मोर लाइट. एंड व्हेन द लाइट इज वेरी ब्राइट, सो इट बिकम वेरी स्मॉल इन ऑर्डर टू कीप अवे द एक्स्ट्रा लाइट, बिकॉज इट कैन स्पॉइल आवर आइज. आपने देखा है ना, बहुत तेज रोशनी होगी तो हमारी आइज में प्रॉब्लम होने लग जाती है. नाउ आइज के बारे में अब हम फर्दर देखेंगे. हाउ द इमेज फॉर्म इन एन आई में इमेज कैसे बनती है. सो एट द बैक ऑफ द आई द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द रेटिना. सो यू कैन सी दिस इज रेटिना. Retina, you can see it is present at the back of an eye. Our eye is like a ball. So just at the back, the retina is there and image is formed on the retina. And you can see here that this is the cyclist and cyclist की image जो है retina पे बन रही है and it is inverted means उल्टी है. Got it? And retina is connected to the optic nerve. Got it? I've told you that nerves are connected to the brain. So हम जो भी पिक्चर देखते हैं हम अपनी आईज से, तो वहाँ से वो रेटिना पे फॉर्म होती है. रेटिना इज कनेक्टेड टू द brain through the optic nerves. So they carry the message to the brain. They carry the message from the retina to the brain to the optic nerves. Am I clear? आपको दिखाई दे रही है बहुत सारी nerves हैं यहाँ रेड कलर में छोटी छोटी सी. So optic nerve, this is red color part is optic nerve and they are attached to the brain. They carry the message to the brain और brain उसको दिखाता है. We are able to see the picture through the ब्रेन ओनली. ब्रेन आपको मैसेज भेजता है तभी हम उस पिक्चर को देख पाते हैं. एंड इट टेक प्लेस ओनली फ्यू लेस देन अ सेकेंड. गॉट इट? आई होप दिस इज clear to you. Now we will study about the taking care of an eye in the next part. So till then, bye bye, take care.